Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I'm a professional graphic designer plus computer education expert. In this video with Illustrator, I'm going to show you how to add anchor point to your shapes. First, we need to draw some shapes so I can show you how we can add anchor points. First, we have this rectangle. Let's put that right here, and we're going to change the color to this, and we're going to set the stroke to 0. Then I'm going to add this ellipse, and also I'm going to add this polygon tool. Let's scale this so we can get the space for other shapes. First, I'm going to get my rectangle shape and get the direct selection tool. So you can see we have 4 anchor points, one here on this side, you can see down there we have 4 anchor points. And if I want to add anchor point to my shape, there is 2 methods that I can do that. First method, I can use the pen tool, and if I move it on the path with my pen tool, so you can see that plus icon, which I can just click to add anchor point. But I want to add anchor points equally when I get my direct selection tool and I want to add more anchor points. So there is the second method that I can do that. And most of the times when we design something, actually we need to add more anchor points to our shapes. Then we need to go to the object for adding that anchor points, and here with the path we have add anchor points. If I click, so automatically you can see one anchor point in this side and one anchor point right here. Let's try to add more, and if I want to add more, then I'm going to click again on the add anchor points. So you can see we have more anchor points right here. Not only that we can add anchor points for the rectangle, let's try to add for ellipse. So here we have 4 anchor points and I want to increase that. Simple, I need to go to the object with the path, and here we have add anchor points. So you can see equal anchor points up here, and down there we have the equal anchor points. And if I want to add more, then we need to go here and click on add anchor point. How about this one? So we have this anchor point, this one, and we have more anchor points in this shape. And if I want to add more anchor points, just like other shapes, we need to go to the object menu with the path. Here I'm going to add anchor point. So you can see equally it's going to add anchor points up here, down there, on this side. You can find on this side with this path, this path with this shape, and also here. So this is how we can increase anchor points for different shapes. You don't have to use that pen tool. If you want to add equal anchor points, then you don't have to put this in grid so you can make anchor points in your shape. So simple way to do that is that you need to select your shape and go up here with the object menu with the path. You need to add anchor points from here. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.